solving two-step equations now. So first we will take the equations in which the variables will have the positive coefficients. So what do we mean by this? So example, something has like 3x. So what is the variable here? So variable is x and coefficient is positive 3. Another example, let us say 5a. So what is the variable? It's a. And what is the coefficient? It's 5. So this number is the coefficient and these are the variables. So we will take the examples in which the coefficients will be now positive coefficients. Example 1, 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. So using the two-step method, so first we can see that it is variable is x, coefficient is positive, so 2. So using two-step method, so first we will subtract 3 on both sides, doing the opposite operation. So minus 3 and plus 3 they get cancelled. Under 2x we will write 2x equals 11 minus 3, which is 8. So we get 2x as 8. To isolate the variable x, now again doing the opposite operation, so 2 is multiplied, so we divide both sides by 2. So this is the second step. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so we get x is equals to 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So x is equal to 4 is answer. So we got the answer in two steps. First we subtracted 3 and then to isolate the variable x, we divided it by 2. Now example 2, 3a minus 2 is equal to 13. So variable is a, coefficient is positive. Here we have minus 2. So using the opposite operation method, so first we add 2 on both sides. So minus 2 and plus 2 gets cancelled. So under 3a, we write 3a, then equals, so 13 plus 2, so which is 15. So we get 3a is equal to 15. So the second step, to isolate the variable a, so 3 is multiplied, so we divide 3 on both sides. So this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Now we have a is equals to, so 15 divided by 3, which is 5. So a is equal to 5 is the answer for this. Next example, 2p plus 5 is equal to negative 9. So the variable is p and the coefficient is 2, which is positive. So first step, using the opposite operation, since it is plus 5, so we'll subtract 5 on both sides. So this 5 and negative 5 gets cancelled. Under 2p we'll write 2p. Minus 9, so negative 9 and negative 5. So when we add these, so we get the answer negative, so which is minus 14. So we get 2p is equals to negative 14. Now to isolate the variable p, we do the opposite operation, that divide by 2 both sides. Then 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so we get p is equals to negative 14 divided by 2, so it's negative 7. So the answer is p is equal to minus 7. Now example 4, so the variable is m and the coefficient is 3, which is positive. So the equation is 3m minus 8 is equal to negative 11. To isolate the variable, so first step we do, so we add 8 on both sides. So 8 and 8 gets, minus 8 and 8 gets cancelled. So we get 3m here and equals negative 11 and positive 8. So we'll write the answer negative 3 for this. So we get 3m equals negative 3. So the second step, so we divide both sides by 3 to isolate the variable. So this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So we get m is equals to negative 3 divided by 3. So it's going to be minus 1. So m is equal to negative 1 is the answer for this. Try these questions and check your answers. Thank you.